Hi guys, the S22 series is official, so it's time to move on to the next flagship device from Samsung, the Galaxy Z Fold 4. There are some new exciting rumors about the Z Fold 4 that'll make you want to consider it over the Galaxy S22 Ultra. But before we get into it, definitely subscribe and hit the bell icon if you haven't to get daily tech updates, and drop a like if you enjoyed the video. So the Z Fold 4 is gonna be the successor to the Galaxy Z Fold 3 from last year, and it's expected to improve on a few shortcomings of the Z Fold 3 and also offer some new features in itself. According to the elec, the Z Fold 4 is gonna offer a built-in S Pen just like the S22 Ultra. So the S22 Ultra isn't the only device borrowing the signature feature of the Note. The Z Fold 4 is gonna have a built-in silo just like the Note to store the S Pen. Now, while that might sound really cool and intuitive, including the S Pen in the Z Fold 4 is gonna come at a cost, a battery cost. According to Ice Universe, the Z Fold 4 is gonna have a similar appearance and design to the Z Fold 3, and each side of the Z Fold 3 is significantly narrower than the S22 Ultra, and the Z Fold 3 uses two batteries with a cell on each side. So putting the S Pen silo on either side of the phone is gonna significantly reduce the battery capacity that can be put on that side, and that's gonna reduce the overall capacity of the Z Fold 4. And Ice Universe thinks by incorporating the S Pen, the battery capacity of the Z Fold 4 is gonna be reduced to 4000 mAh, down from 4400 on the Z Fold 3. So the S Pen alone is likely gonna take up 400 mAh. Let me know in the comment section if you're willing to give up battery life for S Pen integration. But if Samsung can pull it off and maintain or even improve the battery capacity, then I think that's gonna be a good thing. Now, although Ice Universe said the appearance is gonna be similar, the Z Fold 4 is gonna have a smaller display on both the inside and outside compared to the Z Fold 3. So the inner display is gonna shrink from 7.6 inch to 7.56, and the outer display is gonna shrink from 6.7 inch to 6.19, which tells us that the Z Fold 4 is gonna be a tad bit shorter than the Z Fold 3, and that means it could be ever so slightly wider and more compact, especially on the outer display. Ross Young also confirms that the outer display is gonna be a little bit wider, so it's gonna be more like an actual phone when folded, which will make it more comfortable to type on. Anyway, be sure to drop a like if you enjoyed the video, and definitely subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more Z Fold 4 updates. Thanks for watching guys, see you in the next one.